Hi, hello, namaskar. You are listening to PSG Community Radio 107.8, Coimbator's first community radio, Voices of Folks. I am RJ Niveda and RJ Vikashni. So today we have our esteemed guest, Jayashree Kannan, who is the Tamil Nadu coordinator of Speak Mackay. As we all know, India is known for its rich culture and heritage, and India is also the birthplace of n number of art forms. But in today's fast-moving generation, the number of art forms that are known to us are very minimal. But there is this organization which sheds light on the various art forms that are originated in India and makes the young generation realize the importance of it. Let's interact with her. ஸ்பிக் மெக்கே அப்படிங்கிறது என்னங்க மேம்? ஸோ ஸ்பிக் மெக்கே ஹெரிட்டேஜ் கல்ச்சர் ட்ரெடிஷன்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணுறக்காக கண்டுபிடிச்ச ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷன் அப்படிங்கிறது எங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ அதை எப்படி பண்ணுது, என்ன பண்ணுது?
This is society. We take it to schools, colleges, and we bring artists to school, colleges, and we present programs. So children who இதை விட்டால் அவங்களுக்கு வேறு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியே கிடைக்காது to experience this art form, be it classical or folk or craft, anything. When they are in school or college, they take it very openly and they can experience it, and this experience lasts lifetime. So once, இப்போ நானே பிஎஸ்ஜி டெக் அலுமினை, ஸோ காலேஜில் படிக்கும் போது நான் கேட்ட ஸ்பிக் மெக்கே ப்ரோக்ராம் இன்ஸ்பயர்ட் மீ டு பிகம் அ வாலண்டியர் அண்ட் இந்த ஒரு ஈவெண்ட் லாஸ்டிங் இம்பேக்ட். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் வே கேச்சிங் கிட்ஸ் யங் and promoting our heritage. So that's great service, right?
எஸ் மேம், வெரி ட்ரூ. இப்போ காலேஜில் படிக்கும் போது தான் ஐ திங்க் த எக்ஸ்ப்ளோரேட்டரி மைண்ட் ஃபார் எவ்ரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இஸ் வெரி ஹை மேம். ஸோ ஐ திங்க் அங்கே அப்போ அவங்களுக்கு என்ன ஒரு லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்களோ ஆர் when they explore and observe it for themselves, I think that carries towards the life for them. That's very true. And ஸ்பிக் மெக்கேல வந்து நிஷ்கம் சேவா அண்ட் நிஷ்கம் கர்மா அப்படிங்கிற கான்செப்ட்ஸ் வந்து பிலீவ் பண்ணுறீங்க. ஸோ வாலண்டியரிங் இஸ் லைக் the roots of Speak Mackay. So how does all that work?
Yeah, volunteering is service. It's a honorary service. We do, whether you like it or not, you get into the service. So that makes you understand how it is நிஷ்காம்னு, எனக்கு பலன் எதிர்பார்க்காத, எனக்கு வெறுப்பு இல்லாத பண்ணுற service. That is நிஷ்காம். So that is inculcated when the kids are young. ஸோ எதுவுமே எய்ம் பண்ணி நம்ம பலன் எதிர்பார்த்து பண்ணுறது இஸ் நாட் சர்வீஸ். தட் யூ நோ, ரைட்? ஸோ kids get into it very nicely. They start enjoying, and when we bring artists, how it impacts the students is, artists will share their experience along with the art. So அப்போ values are passed on to the students. So that is more important. See, heritage, it's not just about music, dance. It's about the values also, our culture. So it's a very wonderful way of presenting to kids heritage.
Very nicely told, ma'am.
ஷியோர் மேம். இப்போது கண்டிப்பாக இப்போ இருக்க காலகட்டத்தில் எல்லாருமே நமக்கு என்ன பண்ணால் நமக்கு என்ன பெனிஃபிட் வருது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் பார்த்துட்ருப்பாங்க. இந்த டைமில் bringing the spirit of volunteerism in every mind, no, it is very important, which we seek right now. And அதே மாதிரி மேம், இப்போது இஃப் சப்போஸ் நான் ஒரு காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆர் ஸ்கூல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அப்படின்னா, இஃப் ஐ ஹாவ் டு பிகம் அ வாலண்டியர், நான் என்ன பண்ணணும்?
See, we introduce Speak Mackay as a club in school, college. And ஒரு program பண்ணாலே the whole institution students come to know about Speak Mackay. So they can form a club of their own college or school. And year long we can plan activities along with the teacher from your own school or college, and Speak Mackay will guide enna mari activities pannalam, and we will bring in artists around the year. It's not just music or dance, folk is there, cinema classics there. We introduce nature, walk, talk, heritage walk, talk. So nariya things go into this, yoga, meditation. So like that, we'll give an assortment of activities for the students. It'll be a wonderful experience. It'll make a student a very great human. That's our goal to give. It's not about learning art. Our aim is to promote art, But we don't want all the 1,000 students to become singer or dancer. And the values ponale, it changes the way how they look at the world. So our founder Kiran Seth romba alaga solvar. See, what you see in the physical world is only 7% what is visible. And there are 93% of invisible things, intangible work. And whoever is creating any inventions or discovering, they all get into the trance level. They, evolve above the 7% to experience this. And they are able to produce discoveries and inventions. So he'll often say it is more necessary for engineering colleges because it helps them, prepare for so many creative things. So you can imagine 93%. And he'll always say artist only can take you very easily into that intangible experience. So that is why our logo will have one eye that indicates third eye. I mean, everybody will immediately say Sivaperumanan. Appadi illa. Third eye is an eye of a wisdom, and it helps you through inward journey. So SPICMACAY is all about inward journey. So that's why when our program happens, you can't see any advertisement, not even institution banners, only an eye. So that immediately puts everybody into, the mind goes inquisitive of what it is, and it takes them into that experience. Very nice. It's a very beautiful organization with great traditions in them. We will teach you all that when we come, so you can carry forward and conduct events. Our job is only to guide you. It's all by the students, right? This movement has equal number of youth. They don't want only old people. Old people are there just to guide. Yes. Because you will have other occupations, right? You will go for your higher studies and job. So the continuity sake, we are there. Because we want the energy and action of the youth.
Yeah. As we truly inspired from what you say, Mom. So I'm really eager and looking forward to know how SPICMACAY works and to join in. So if I have to join in as a person, being a student, so how do I get in first and how do I start the volunteering? So I need to know a concept completely before I volunteer, which is going to give the fruit to the people who are going to participate in the forthcoming events. So how do I take that up first?
See, we have a universal website where you can go find out about SPICMACAY. You can register as a volunteer. So sometimes your institution may not encourage. So that doesn't stop you. You can become a volunteer. And we have, apart from the institution, we have every district, every state has a chapter. But then SPICMACAY only takes activities to the campus. Nothing happens outside school or college. So if it's not happening in your school or college, you can come out and take part when we take the events to other school, college. You just register yourself as a volunteer. And we do have a training program where we give them an idea about what it is. Okay. It's just basic. And then as you experience, you will learn more about it. You don't need any prior knowledge of music or dance or craft or anything to appreciate. You need that open mind. Nishkam is all that also, no? You're willing to experience, learn. So you will appreciate very much.
As our next thing was that
if we are a student or if we are a common man, we must have a basic knowledge about the art to encourage the art or to enjoy it, basically. So, but then if a common man enters into the event, how come he get to know about the art to enjoy it?
Everything has to begin at some point, Leah. You're not born with all knowledge. So it will come gradually. Our idea itself is to expose the students to our rich culture and art forms. So once you listen second time, third time, you will start understanding something about it. There are courses that's being conducted not just by our workshops, many institutions do appreciation of classical art and alla romba formal. You just get exposed, you will understand. You don't need any background. You just need a heart and an open mind to without knowing how will you even learn or understand. As you give yourself to the art, you will gradually know. We all learned like that. Or you are always welcome to go and learn art forms. There are so many teachers all over. That is also good. It will do very good on you. No, it's a great, wonderful psychological exercise, physical exercise, everything. It's great. It helps students more than anybody, stress management and, mainly building a focus on the art form immediately takes you into the focus. That is the need of the hour for students, You want to succeed in your education or your job, you need focus.
Very true. So when a student is focused towards something, so heritage or following a culture or tradition, when it is a part of their lifestyle, brings in change in them and helps them do better in their career and life.
Yes.
So for them to get into this system now, because we know that the system is not here anymore. A lot of people have their own lifestyle set, and they don't really have they don't know where to begin.
See, understanding this almost 50 years ago, Kiran Seth realized the need for taking it to students. So we are doing that. So don't worry. You will start appreciating and first experience the Swigna Capable Lab, right? Yeah. So looking forward to having in your institution soon.
And so we look forward to getting your influence.
We can have lectures, we can go in for workshops, festivals, anything you name, we can present for you.
And so, thank you so much for
there to serve you.
Definitely, ma'am. I think this knowing about the culture and tradition which we have followed earlier makes our life disciplined, and it makes more peaceful, I guess. And by here we come to the concluding session. Thanks for joining with us and motivating us.
Yeah.
You're listening to PSG Community Radio 107.8, Coimbator's first community radio, Voice of the Folks.